All right, my friends, so I got my order from the U.S. Mint shipped to me today. I had to sign for it, and let's see what it says here. So it's legit. You can see it's a legit box. The guy had to sign, well, actually my wife signed first, but I have opened it up just to make sure it looked good, so we'll show you what it is. So remember, I ordered a, So I ordered, hopefully y'all can see me here, I ordered a 1/4 ounce of gold and a silver like packaging thing. I forgot what it was, like a collector's item thing from the Mint. And since I've been told now, the Mint is for collectibles, but bullion you don't want to buy from the Mint because it's like more expensive. The Mint's more for collectibles, and I kind of get that now. So if you're trying to build up like a collectible thing, Mint's pretty cool without question. But if you're trying to just build a gold or silver storage, you might want to just buy it directly from like JM Bullion or something like that. So let's see what we got here, all right? So we got this, that's always fun to pop. Let's see. Oh, man, you got to pop it. Oh, jeez Louise. So that's what's fun. I'm just a kid at heart. So there's my 1/4, my 1/4 ounce. U.S. Mint, American Eagle, 1/4 ounce gold-proof coin. Gold-proof coin. And we got this thing right here, certificate of authenticity. We got the certificate of authenticity. Let's see. Why is that not focusing? Let's see. Can I focus over here? Not well, huh? It's weird it's not wanting to focus. Anyway, it says American Eagle 1 ounce gold. American Eagle 1/4 ounce gold-proof coin. United States Mint, certificate of authenticity. Because when the government certifies it, it's legit. I don't know why it's not focusing on that. But anyway, this says the United States Mint certifies that this is a genuine coin minted and issued in accordance by the President on December 17th, 1985. Signed by David Ryder from the U.S. Mint. All right, cool. Denomination 10 schmackes, $10, finished proof, 91.67 gold. 3% silver, diameter, all that. Mint in the wax point, and a mint mark is a W. All right. Coin observations, version of Augustus St. Gaudens's full-length figure of liberty with flowing hair, holding a torch in her right hand and an olive branch in her left. Male eagle carrying an olive branch flying above a nest containing a female eagle and eaglets. And that's pretty cool. The artist was Augustus St. Gaudens. Reverse is Miley Buziak, sculptor, Dallas, Texas, model executed by the Mint. All right, cool. So let's take a look at this guy, shall we? All right, I'll put the phone down. Got the phone down for a second there, my friends. Isn't that exciting with no phone? We got, that's pretty cool. U.S. Mint, and you got that little coin there. You got that gold coin. I hope you can see this. It's still not showing up very well. I wonder why. Maybe you gotta. I'm not sure why it's not showing up very well. But anyway, you got the. Oh yeah, so that's pretty cool. Let me see if I can't do it from here. Still not showing up. Oh, sorry about that, guys. But it is cool. You got this eagle flying with looks like a flat. No, there's wings. He's holding olive branches. He's got little baby eagles in there. What the Mint calls eaglets. Then you got a picture of Lady Liberty getting ready to kick butt and take names. Take that, Canada! Blame Canada! In your face, England! It's a joke, people. It's a joke. That's pretty cool. All right, sweet. We'll put that all together. Then we got my little silver collection item thing. Proof set. That's what it's called. So this is saying it's a 2019-18 United States Mint limited edition silver proof set. Yeah. And they've got a bunch of stuff, certificate of authenticity. My man David Ryder again signed it. Signed it personally for your old buddy Josh for sure. They talk about the American Eagle 1 ounce gold coin. They just tell you all the different things they have here. A dime, the $50, 1 ounce gold coin, quarter. All right, quarter. So let's take a gander at what this looks like. Put the phone down again. Got to open that guy up, and then you get this package thing here. You gotta open this up and you get that package thing there. So this is why it costs so much, because you get all this packaging. And then, oh, that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, sweet, look at that. That's nice, I do like that. That's nice. That's a 2008, you got John F. Kennedy right there. The tax cutter, JFK. I'm not sure who that person is. Is that Lady Liberty or is that Medusa? I can't really tell. I guess it's Lady Liberty. Looks like Medusa. Lots of hair flowing there. It's kind of creepy. Then you got a bunch of other stuff. Who's that right there? That who is that guy right there? I always forget. Is that Eisenhower? And so you got a bunch of quarters. Yeah, with old buddy G.W. Washington or G. Washington, right? On the quarter. Yeah. All right, cool, man. I like it. That's pretty neat. And so this didn't cost much. I think all in all, this all cost me. Where's my receipt here? Cost me $627, and that's with shipping too. So $17 for shipping and handling, and $627 for the rest. The gold was $465. That's the American Eagle 1/4. And this guy right here is $144. So, you know, if you like, I like this stuff. I like collector's items. Look, I don't know if it's a collector for anybody, but I've always been intrigued. I always like maps and stuff from the old days. You know, you should see my baseball, football, hockey cards and whatnot. I've always liked minor league cards, but I got tons of cards up there. A lot of them aren't in the best of shape. I got a card with Magic Johnson, Trifold, Larry Bird, and Dr. J. Back in 1979 when they're rookies, I think, if memory serves. But anyway, it's Magic Johnson's rookie year. I think Bird came out 1 year. Did they come out at the same time? I forgot. But we had Magic, Dr. J, and Larry Bird, and this trifold from Topps. That card is worth a mint. And what did I do? Well, I was playing basketball in my room, and I'd write on all my cards. Isn't that awesome? So I'd have these little stickers on there, little notes about who did what in my fake basketball games, and I think I still have that. It's sure, if I become rich and famous, I'll probably say, Josh Scanlon had written his little stupid notes on there when he was 8 years old. I guess I was 10 years old. In Peaks Island, how wonderful is that? Yeah, anyway, but it's I've always liked cars. I think I sold one Ken Griffey Jr. car back freaking 15 years ago when we were just broke as can be, 20 years ago, yeah, 20, to a guy in San Diego when we lived in Phoenix. I had a Ken Griffey Jr. rookie upper deck card, which I sold for like $70. I have no clue what it's worth now. I still got 2 or 3 of those guys. I'm not even sure what I have. Make sure it's still going. Yeah, I'm not even sure what else I got up there. I mean, I got just tons of cars. I just liked them. Always enjoyed it. I have collections of various coins and stuff, and not want to say from the old days, but I think my granddad got one of these similar things, not a silver one, but just a coin collection when I was born. And I used to, collect them. They used to have these little things like this, sets that you just gather your coins and put them in there. It was always pretty fun. So I've always enjoyed this, but there you go, my friend. It's pretty easy to do. You do got to sign for the package, so make sure someone's there when you open it. This is kind of heavy. This is actually not that heavy, but pretty cool. All right, hope you find this interesting. Again, if you're just trying to buy this stuff, do it for bullion. You probably don't want to do it for the treasury or the mint. Just do it for like jam bullion or something like that. But if you're trying to, like little fancy packages like that, that is pretty cool. I like it. So every now and again, maybe just do that. All right, we'll see you next time.